Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1998 ECE paper, and the topic we are discussing is electronic devices. This is fifth 1 mark question, came in 1998. The units of Q by kT are A. Volts, B. Per volt, C. Joules, D. Joules per Kelvin. Correct option for this one is B. Volt inverse. We know Einstein equation. Einstein equation for semiconductors is Vt is equal to kT by Q is equal to dN by mu n is equal to dP by mu p is equal to T by 11,600. Vt implies nothing but volt equivalent of temperature or simply thermal voltage. So units for this one is volts. If Vt units are volts, that is nothing but kT by Q units are volts. The question asked is Q by kT. Q by kT is nothing but reciprocal of volts, that is volt inverse is the right answer. If you are going to look at that equation, we will go with additional details. K implies nothing but Boltzmann constant, T is temperature in degree Kelvin, dN diffusion constant for electrons, dP diffusion constant for holes. Units for diffusion constant are centimeter square per second, and mu n electron mobility, mu p hole mobility. Units for mobility centimeter square per volt second. Q is nothing but charge of electron. This relation is very important. Vt is equal to kT by Q is equal to dN by mu n is equal to dP by mu p is equal to T by 11,600. There T must be in degree Kelvin. Based on this one, 3 gate questions has come previously. Units of dN by mu n, units of mu diffusion to mobility constant, like that different questions have come on units only. Here in our present question, units of Q by kT are simply per volt, that is volt inverse. The right option is B. Thank you.